Hey everyone, today I'm going to show you how to install the awesome Screenshot Browser extension in Chrome. This powerful tool lets you capture screenshots and record your screen directly from your browser, making it perfect for creating tutorials, documenting bugs, or sharing visual information with your team. So let's get started with this quick tutorial. First, open your Google Chrome browser on your computer. Once Chrome is running, direct your attention to the upper right corner of the window. You'll see 3 vertical dots, which is Chrome's main menu button. Go ahead and click on it to reveal a drop-down menu with various options. From the drop-down menu that appears, hover your mouse over the option that says Extensions. This will expand a submenu with additional choices related to managing your browser extensions. In this submenu, click on Visit Chrome Web Store. This action will open a new tab and take you directly to the Chrome Web Store, where you can browse and install thousands of extensions designed to enhance your browsing experience. Now that you're in the Chrome Web Store, look for the search bar located at the top of the page. In this search field, type Awesome Screen Recorder and Screenshot and press Enter. This will bring up the extension in the search results, allowing you to quickly find the specific tool you're looking for among the many available options. Once the search results appear, click on the Awesome Screen Recorder and Screenshot extension to open its dedicated page. This page provides detailed information about the extension, including user reviews, features, and screenshots showing what it can do. After reviewing the information, click the Add to Chrome button. A confirmation pop-up will appear asking if you want to add this extension. Click Add Extension to confirm your choice and begin the installation process. Now, you'll need to wait until the installation is complete. Sometimes this process takes a bit of time depending on your internet connection speed, so be patient and let Chrome finish downloading and installing the extension. The browser will notify you once everything is set up and ready to use. Once the installation is done, look at the top right corner of your browser window. You'll see a puzzle piece icon which represents your installed extensions. Click on this extension icon to view all your active extensions. From the list that appears, click on Awesome Screen Recorder and Screenshot to access the extension's main interface. Now that the extension is open, you'll see various options at the top of the interface. Click on Capture to access the screenshot features. Here, you can configure how you want to capture your screen by choosing between different options. You can select Visible Part to capture only what's currently visible on your screen, Full Page to capture an entire web page from top to bottom, or Selected Area to manually choose a specific region you want to capture. Additionally, if you want to record video instead of taking screenshots, click on Record. This opens up screen recording options where you can configure exactly how you want to record your screen, including choosing whether to capture your entire screen, a specific window, or just a browser tab. You can also adjust audio settings and other recording preferences to suit your needs. And that's it! You've successfully installed and configured the awesome Screenshot extension in Chrome, giving you powerful tools for capturing and recording your screen right from your browser. If this video helped you out, be sure to leave a like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.